Hey all, so in the previous video, we created this web app using only Claude and Replit. So what this web app does, you enter your YouTube URL, it start processing it. When you click on the process button, writes the transcript for you using OpenAI, then it goes ahead and writes the social post for you, writes the blog post outline, plus a custom script for your own videos. But as I mentioned in the previous video that I wasn't happy with the design, plus I wanted to add some more features to it. And I also noticed that short videos were not working for this web app. So I decided to, go ahead and update this web app in this particular video. So you can see it shows us the progress logs, then the transcription of the video, the social media posts for different social medias, then a blog post outline based on the video that we have just fed it, and a custom script for your own videos. So let's go ahead and update the design of it. So what I did off the cameras, I created a script and got the entire code base of the entire app right here, and I just copied it and supplied it to OpenAI right here. Plus I wrote the entire prompt for it. Like, I talked about what was not working. I wanted what enhancement what was I wanted. Then I talked about the design updates, then everything about design updates and how exactly I wanted to behave. Plus I changed the operation of this app as well. This is something that you will see when we proceed further. Now I'll go ahead and supply it with color palette that I downloaded off of Pinterest. So there is the color palette, and let's go ahead and run this prompt and see what happens next. So it'll go ahead and write the entire thing. I told it everything that I'm a non-coder and whatnot, that the usual drill that you have seen in the previous videos as well. So now it is updating the code. So probably it'll give me code for like three, four, or even more components that we have already created in this web app. So I'll just fast forward this part. After pasting, I'll come back and we'll continue to test the app further. So basically, it was nothing like we added some more design elements to the page. So what I did, it wasn't compiling, so I just copied the entire error and just supplied it to to Claude, and it found out that we have to install some of the dependencies like Framer Motion, Lucid React, and whatnot. So it is asking me to install them. All I have to do is just copy them, go to the shell of this Replit, and just paste them, and it'll do all the things on its own. Now we can just go and run it. Okay, so now we have the collapsible. Yep, what I wanted, like it is video to content. This page, it is showing error at the moment because probably it's on the dashboard page. So that is not a big issue. History will create once we connect a database. So I'm pretty happy with the page design so far. It does not have a footer though, but that's not a big deal. We can add that anytime we want. So let's process the video. Let's see. So now we have the video analysis that I wanted. So it took some time, but it has the video analysis that I wanted, main topic and everything. This is the change I wanted. Then it shows the transcription to us. Okay, social media content right here. Then the blog outline. Perfect. 1 minute video script. Great. And 5 minutes video script. So it has written everything that I wanted. So everything is working fine. Uh, Probably I'll just go ahead and ask it to format it correctly. So there's a small update. So you saw the previous design. I worked on that off camera, and now we have basically a ready app that I'll be proceeding further with. So let's see how it looks at the moment, and what it can do for you. So let's say, so you saw the previous design and everything that I mentioned that I did not like. Plus, I did not like how the data was presented in that. So this is the current design that we have of the app. Like we have a nice dashboard with a collapsible, sidebar. We have a footer. We have a better looking video processing bar and everything. So let's see how it works. All I have to do is just enter a YouTube URL. It'll start processing. We have a preview that I can go ahead and look at anytime. Now we get a video analysis. Previously, everything was cluttered and and wasn't user friendly, I would say. So now I worked on it off camera, and went back and forth with Claude and Replit, and now finally we have this. The video analysis looks something like this. I'll be probably adding a few more things, like subtopics. We have keywords, probably relevance, and the target audience is something that I'm interested to add in this. So this is what I have included in the video analysis. Like the formatting is like way better than what it used to look previously. You can hide it, you can go to transcript, you can look at both of them side by side. But since it's not that user friendly, so I made the separate cards for them, so that I can focus on just one thing. The transcription looks like this. We can put the time based timestamp based transcription, but in that case it takes a lot of space, so I just left it as it is for now. Now we have social media post. Now it does not just go ahead and write the social media post like previously it was doing everything. Now it does it on demand. So you click on the social media post, and then only it will start writing the social media post for you. Although I'm not happy with the output, but yeah, this is just about the prompt, so I was not very bothered about it anyways. So when I click on it, you can see they are formatted in their own boxes. Like you can look at the Facebook post, you can look at the Twitter tweet, I can probably go ahead and write X here. LinkedIn post, not good, but again, it's just all about prompts. I just have to increase the prompts, probably give it a couple of example posts, and it'll be all good. So I wasn't so bothered about it, like fixing it, because I just wanted to make sure that it works, it looks good, and it works as I want it to work. Now we have two different kind of scripts that I have added. One is 1 minute video script for shorts, reels, and whatnot that you can go ahead and create. So this is like formatted with timestamps and whatnot. And same with 5 minutes video script. Like if you are looking forward to provide more information, because shorts give you the footfall, like impressions, and let the people in your profile. But this is the long form content that builds the authority. So that is why I decided to include the long form videos as well. So it's a complete script that we also provide you. So this is the current state of the app. Now what I'm going to do, I've already oh, I did not show you the blog post. So this is the blog outline. Not good, but again, I was just testing it, and I did not do anything till the time, I mean, when I got the formatting that I was looking for, I did not touch the prompt. So I just have to figure out the better prompts. Like it has FAQs and whatnot. So I'll just go ahead and update these things, and it'll be a flawless application for content generators. So this is the update from my side. I'll be working further, and probably add Firebase as my database. I've already started working on that. That you can see, like I just created a Firebase account, and I've just asked Plot, roll out how exactly I can go ahead and implement the pricing plus user based like the plan based feature. So Now it has already started giving me instruction like, go ahead and create an account, create a project that I already did. Then it asked me to run this npm command. I did that. Now this is the only thing I've done so far. uh, these are the steps left for me that I'll be doing further. And if you wish, you can stick around. Probably I'll just cut this video and show you once it's done, or maybe I just speed this thing up and show you the end product like the way I did just right now. So I'll just keep the video on for now, and let's get started with this. All right, so after a couple of hours of back and forth with Claude, Replit, Google Cloud, Firebase, and everything else, finally we have something that I can show you and can be proud of. So everything I did was completely off camera. I apologize because the video was getting so longer. So I decided to do this off camera, like trim the entire thing. And now let's see what the app looks like right now. So I'll just go ahead and run the app. So you can go ahead and sign up a new account, log in through email as well as from through Google. So we have implemented everything. At the moment, I was already logged in, so I will just go ahead and log out and show you what you see as soon as you go to the account. I mean, as soon as you go to the website, this is something what you see. You can go to sign up and create a new account. It also verifies your email through a verification link, and there is a Google sign up as well. So it's all through Firebase. So when you sign in, you can go ahead and sign in. I think what I need is an animation, how exactly that shows you that we are trying to log in. So dashboard, I'm still thinking what to include in the dashboard, but I created this page so that later on I see analytics or something like that. So I created this page and kept it here. And this is the menus that I created for time being, that I'll be adding on to in the future as well. So you want to sign out, there is a sign out button. You can see your email, which account you're logged in from, and this is your video to content. Here all you have to do is just copy the URL from YouTube, paste it, process it, the AI runs it, and once it runs it, you get the details like the analysis of the video that you can see here. It's pretty decent, like bullet points and everything else. Transcript, you want to see the transcript, there is a transcript for you as well that you can see word by word. Then we have the social media post, you want to generate the social media post, so it's right here as well. It's basically running the all the same things that we saw in the previous part of this video, but I just included the authentication as well as some part of the database that it is going to maintain in the future. History page will be there, will have all the processed videos that we are going to process in the future from this particular account. So it'll have failed to load processed video at the moment, but because there are still a lot of things that need to go in the database. And settings probably would include something like change password, email, and some other settings. Maybe you can update your profile with your social links, maybe some custom profile that might go in the prompts. So a lot of things are possible with this particular tool that we have built so far here. And I look forward to your feedback. What do you think about this? And yeah, if you would like to see this in action, do let me know, and I will go ahead and deploy it on a production server. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. That will definitely encourage me. And please, if you have any suggestion for any kind of app that you would like me to build in the future videos, please do let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.